I know, coming to the dentist can be frightening, but I want to let you know, we're not monsters.
Are you scared of going to the dentist? Are you afraid of the sharp and edgy equipment? The drilling sound of the shiny silver machines? The x-rays? And most of
It's num-num
all, the
time.
needle and its suffering before, during, and
Right now.
after?
Why? Good.
Lots of people have dental fear, and it affects them in many ways. And lots of them are extremely afraid of these injections, resulting in them postponing and even canceling visits to the dentist, which could lead to oral health problems. But thanks to modern dentistry, you no longer need to be afraid. Let me introduce Comfort N, a no needle equipment that will really let the comfort in. Of course, you'll be asking yourself, what is this? How does it work? Is it really effective? Just wait. Let's have a chit chat. What is comfort in or needless injection? It is simply a hypodermic injection that can deliver medicine into the body without a needle. It works by microscopically spraying medicine and infusing it into the dermal layer via its 0.15 mm hole. This process occurs by a combination of high pressure and high velocity. The pressure at which it applies the medicine is 118 times the pressure found in car tires. It is also dependent on the amount of liquid used. As for the liquid medicine inside the comfort in itself, well, it acts as the needle and can penetrate the skin from 0.2 till 0.8 centimeter deep. Comfort In can deliver its content from the dermal layer down to the hypodermal layer. I can assure you there will be no pain and no marks left behind because the entire process takes less than a third of a second. I promise it will be over before you even notice. Let me show you the differences between a needle and a needle-free injection. The liquid takes the shape of a sphere at the tip of the needle and refrains from spreading, but in a needle-free injection, as you can see, the liquid forces its way into the tissue, following the path of least resistance, causing the medication to spread like a spider web. Now, the remaining question would be, how do we use it? First, take the injector body and put it into the lever box and close it. That locks and loads it. Connect the nozzle into the adapter and measure the amount of the filling needed. Now inject the nozzle into the adapter and screw it clockwise. Now it's all set. You just have to put it against the body and shoot. See? Simple and easy.
All right, ready to go?